guys, welcome to Backyard Billiards for another unboxing and review. Alright, this is the Milwaukee air compressor nailer. Alright, it's a 3.5 round head framing nailer. I picked this up at Home Depot for about $1.99. I'm going to unbox it and see how it works. Yeah, but jackhammer, get it out. Got instruction book.
Chase.
Some Allen wrenches and some oil. Okay. I think that's it for the box. Alright, there's the hammer. The air compressor hookup. Where you insert the nails at. It's the lock. That's the safety gauge right here. Alright. Alright guys, everything looks good, and we'll see this thing in action in just a few minutes. Alright guys, all you gotta do to load it is take your nails, slide it in the bottom here, go all the way up with it, take this piece, hit the switch, slide it down, and that's what feeds your nails through, okay? Then you just push down firmly, and this is your safety gauge. This thing will not fire unless it's pushed back. So push down and squeeze the trigger. Alright. Back to the banks. I think the banks are really wonderful. That's it for the Milwaukee air gun. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit me up in the comments, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. That way you get notified anytime I go live or put new content. Thank you.